Hi everyone, David Jackson here, slingandstonemarketing.com, and in this video I'm going to cover long and short tail keywords. I'm going to go over what they are, how they are used in business, what are some of the things that you need to avoid, and how you can use them effectively to grow your business. So what are the main differences between the short tail and the long tail keywords? Well, I'm going to use the Pareto principle here, where 20% of the keywords that are being searched bring in about 80% of the traffic to websites. And for the long tail, you have about 80% of the keywords that are producing about 20% of the traffic. Now, the short tail keywords can be searched tens, if not hundreds of thousands of times per month. And because of all of that traffic, competition is really fierce and the keywords are more expensive. But the short tail keywords may be searched only several hundred to maybe a few thousand times per month. And while that brings less traffic, it's more affordable because there's less competition, and you can also see a higher conversion rate because the keywords that the person is using is more specific. Now let's go over how they're used in business. It's primarily advertising, where you have these keyword-based pay-per-click platforms such as Google AdWords, Bing, and even Amazon. But Facebook wouldn't fall into this category because their targeting is based mostly on interests and demographics. And they are also used in SEO, mostly for organic rankings, trying to be one of the top websites that are shown on the search engine results page. And this is done by focusing on content marketing, where you might have a blog post that is able to hit a lot of the long tail keywords that don't get much traffic, but if you add them all up together, it becomes something that can actually move the needle for you. And here are some examples between the short tail keywords and long tail keywords. So over on the left you have things like tennis shoes, coffee table, and a family cruise. Where over on the right you have tennis shoes for a clay surface, a contemporary style glass coffee table, and Hawaii family cruises in July. So as you can see, the long tail is more specific and implies a user intent to make a purchase as they are coming out of the research phase of their buying cycle. They know what they are looking for and are now looking for the best place to buy it. Now, a couple of things to avoid would be going after short tail keywords without having your funnel conversion rate optimized. Conversion for short tail keywords is already low, so if you don't have an optimized funnel, then you're just leaving money on the table. Another thing is if you are focused only on long tail keywords, it's hard for you to scale up once you have everything dialed in and are making enough profit, because there's only a finite number of long tail keywords that are able to produce enough traffic for it to make an impact for your business. Now, ways that you can improve using keywords is to use long tail keywords to optimize your funnels. You have a more targeted audience, and the lower cost per click allows you to test new things out and to be able to optimize your conversion rate. Then once it's optimized, you can scale up. Using some of the profits from your long tail keywords, you can add some short tail keywords in there to increase the traffic. And you would need to monitor the ROI to make sure that you are maintaining profitability. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. It will give me an opportunity to help others. And if you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notifications so you will know when I post a new video. If you have any questions about issues and problems that you are having with marketing your business, you can leave them below in the comments section, and I would love to help you out. I thank you for taking your time to watch this, and I will see you in the next video.